Hey, Watson, you look very tired.
Yeah, I'm fed up with all this pizza, this donuts, this fast food.
Wait, we have a solution for you. Do you know the new fresh and healthy fast food? It's called Green Potato and it's building near your campus. It's really good. You can eat salads, fresh fruit, smoothies, and also eat delicious potatoes.
Oh, really? That sounds amazing! Tell me about the concept.
We want to provide fresh food without GMO to our clients. In fact, it's a very pleasant place where you can compose your own salad at the salad bar, and you can also order some smoothies. It's very funny and ingenious. You can also eat some club sandwiches, which are healthier than burgers, and our specialty is potatoes, just cooked as the same as your grandmother did.
Oh, it looks so good, but it seems expensive.
No, it's not. It's the same price as other fast food restaurants with a meal at $7 because we work closely with local agricultural zones to get fresh products at negotiated prices. Moreover, students will benefit from a 10% reduction of their meal. We will also offer a free smoothies after 10 meals. And we also want to strive against child obesity, so we will give 2% of our profit to charities acting in that cause.
Oh, I'm so long to taste it.
Don't worry, we will open very soon. You can also like our Facebook page if you want and share it. Talk about it also to your family and to your friends because we need an investment of $10,000 to set up the Green Potato. So here is our card of the Green Potato. I am Andrea, the CFO of the Green Potato.
I am Maureen, I am the Marketing and Strategy Manager of Green Potato. So please visit us, you will not forget it, okay? Green Potato, remember that name.
Green potato, eat green, feel free.